Like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates.
Analysis. Mapping the world inch-by-inch data collection is key. Companies like Mobileye, which is owned by Intel Corporation, depend on crowdsourced information from cars from participating manufacturers. The Japanese company's strategy allows for ownership and high precision. The data is exact distances and locations within centimeters. Other mapping systems routed in the World Geodetic System tend to be approximate and rely heavily on sensors. It is hugely irritating when Google Maps crashes in densely populated areas, or when it throws you into all sorts of places, sends directions and fails to recognize U-turns. Creating these maps takes a massive technological effort. The Global Navigation Satellite System, GNSS, is used to determine precise locations. The mapping system pulls everything together and integrates the information. It captures everything, including signs on roads, structures, curbs, lane connections and edges, even before the drivers have arrived at a point. This may seem like too much deep tech and unnecessary information, but mapping and data collection are increasingly at the heart of navigation and safety engineering. At this year's Consumer Electronics Show, one of the biggest tech events on the calendar, software-centric vehicles and autonomous driving systems were all the rage. They've sparked a boom in auto tech and smart vehicles. These maps are integrated into drones, windshields and cockpits, seamlessly transporting passengers to their destinations. In China, the fast-growing market for such cars is expected to reach 960 billion yuan by 2025. In the US, a team from the University of Texas Radionavigation Lab is tapping into signals from Elon Musk's SpaceX satellite Starlink to develop navigation technology that is free from the geopolitics of GPS, Russia, China and Europe. Hedge funds also use this to track activity in factories and warehouses. In recent months, open-source intelligence services have helped track troop movements in Ukraine. Three-dimensional mapping systems like DMPS will eventually allow logistics companies to deliver packages through windows as society ages, using 3D building and street maps, and navigating through warehouses. It will also allow EVs to drive more efficiently with precise information on gradients, lanes and chargers. Today's cartography is even more powerful than it was decades ago. To date, DMP has data for over 30,000 kilometers of highways and motorways in Japan, around 640,000 kilometers in the USA, and more than 300,000 kilometers in Europe. In 2018, it acquired Usher Incorporated, which at the time had GM Ventures and Enertech Capital as investors. Together, the two companies along with Join, one of Japan's government funds, backed $100 million to expand HD coverage in North America.